Hi everybody, this is Sergeant Wrights, as you know as my new YouTube channel. So there really isn't much to explain here today. If I can get my camera to focus in, hold on here. Trying to get it to, give me 1 minute to get my camera to. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new after brand Smith & Wesson cuffs. In the 1980s, they said Smith & Wesson is too popular, and so what they decided was they're going to make a narrow handcuff named Rothco or Rothco, R-O-K-U or R-O-T-H-C-U. So it's a very popular handcuff, and the keys I'm going to show you today are very similar to another handcuff. If I can find, give me 1 minute, I'll find their handcuffs that I have, and this should work. Okay, so what I got here, guys, is I got two Smith. Jeez, my things are falling down. So, like an ordinary cuff. Give me 1 minute, guys. I got. Got this phone. Doesn't want to. Nope. So, with an ordinary cuff like this is Smith & Wesson. This is the after brand Smith & Wesson cuffs. So you can tell the difference here. They sound way better, and are not, and surprisingly they're better than most handcuffs. So when they go over your and I'm gonna practice on me to show you what it looked like when you handcuff somebody in the front, not in the back. I won't be able to do that. But remember, I'm a cop, so I'm not really handcuffing myself for real, put myself in custody, because that makes no sense. Why would every cop put themselves in custody? That makes no sense. Unless that cop did something wrong, then you could arrest their cop. Because people like my agency, we have arrested our agencies for not doing their job. Of course, not lately now, but maybe in the future we might have arrested our agency for different rules that they've broken or stuff like that. But for right now, we're a small agency. We only have 5-6, I think only 5-6 people that I hired, but for privacy I can't mention their names. But right now, so this cuff right here, okay, so you can tell that it sounds good. So what I'm going to show you now is the two different brands of cuffs, the Smith & Wesson after brand and the actual original Smith & Wesson cuffs. And I'm going to show you that this cuff key works with this cuff key. So first of all, what you want to do is you're going to want to put the arm like this, and it goes right on like that. And that's how you want the cuff to go on, okay? Because if you don't do that, the suspect, whoever you're handcuffing, could go run away, which is not what you want. So make sure that the cuff is always, and you don't want the keys facing your way. You want them to be the other way. So right now, where I have them is the way you want them. You don't want them to be on this side where you could get the key in and be able to get them out right away. And then you do the other one, and there you go. And then the key that I'm going to use is let me find the key here. This is the key for my new handcuff right here. So what you do is you put the key there, and did you hear that pop? I don't know. Listen carefully if you hear the other one. So what you do is you put the key in, and there you go. Now it's locked. Now you can't get the cuff. Okay, you're locked. Now I'm going to show you with my hands cuffed, just for fun, just for, you know, shit and giggles, whatever. This will actually work. This is the Smith & Wesson, the original Smith & Wesson cuffs. See? I can open up the cuff with, you can see it's the little key here. You can see that's the key that's universal, that works with the Smith & Wesson and these handcuffs. Okay? And what's funny about universal keys is, like, if you're not a cop and you were a suspect and the cop didn't check you very good, like, you know how they patent you down and stuff, you can actually get away with uncuffing their handcuff if you have the right actual key. So, like, if the cop had Smith & Wesson, I can unlock it with this key. If they had this type of cuff, I can unlock it with this key, because this is the original key for this cuff right here. And so anything I said that I shouldn't say, that my agency might be monitoring, I can't really tell you more than that. Like what I already said, like there's some things I can say and some things I can't. But I think for right now, and I will be uploading another video of my flashlight, and it's called a Ozark flashlight, and it's pretty bright, and it's one of my police flashlights. So if I get 10K subscribers and 10K views on this video, I will be showing you my Ozark flashlight that I got exclusively at State College Walmart, and I guarantee you're gonna like this flashlight because it's a doozy. So let's get this other one open, and let's do this. So you see, I can open the cuff just like that, without no problems. And there you go, guys. I'm actually, you know what? Just so I get more subscribers, I'm gonna do that flashlight today, so you guys get to see it today. And I actually think you'll actually like this flashlight, just so I get more subscribers on this video, because it's gonna be fun to see the handcuffs and then plus the actual flashlight itself. Let's see here. Let me get myself out of handcuffs. These, my friends, are awesome. Okay, guys, so I'm out of my flashlight. Okay, so both of the cuffs. Trying to get the cuffs to sound good here. Okay. So now it's time to show you the flashlight. My cop flashlight that I got. And like you guys know, I always use them in the Walkie-Talkie, because it's compatible with our Walkie-Talkies, and I'm getting a new one here, so stay tuned for that video, because I'm getting a new Walkie-Talkie here, probably from one of my cop buddies. Not saying his name for privacy reasons, but I'll show you then when I get that. And this is 22 channel. This is 462 to 467 megahertz, and this is a good handcuff. Or I said handcuff, not handcuff. Good walkie-talkie. It's very strong. 26-mile range. No flashlight though, but it does work. So here we go. So now let me show you my flashlight. So if you can see carefully, this says Ozark flashlight. This is what it is. And for the first offense, you can see that it's very, very bright. Enough that it lights up even my video. It's so awesome. And then it's got low light, which is not as bright. And then we got the strobe. You see, that's very awesome. You can probably hardly see my face at all with this. So, and then also it's got this where you can move. So if I do this, you can see that it's not as, and then you got the, whoa, it shines my eyes. Ah! So it's very bright. So, and that is my police flashlight, and I got this for $12. I will post a link later on in the video where I did get this flashlight, and it really does work good. Not to mention it almost blinded my eyes with how bright it was. But this, my friends, is a good flashlight, and this is also IPX input aggression 4 waterproof. So this could go out in the rain and you could use it and it will not even break. And if you wanted to, you can do this. I'm demonstrating how hard this is. And do you think this is going to work? There you go, guys. Still works. So that is the flashlight itself. And it's very it's very hard. I mean, this thing is very bright, and that's all I can say about it. It's a good flashlight. It's a good day for the cops, bad day for the suspects. But this is at least attunative to what you need to do in the police force, and it's very bright. I mean, it's very, very, very bright. It's very actually good. So, see you guys on the next one. Out. Sergeant Wright's K456 captain is out. Friends Healthcare Police Agency.